Hi, this is nutritionist Sushma Jaiswal. I'm into this field for more than 30 years and now I'm practicing at Bangalore in Swasthi Nutrition. It has many benefits. It not only keeps your body healthy but also helps you fight many diseases and prevent many diseases. Alkaline water is a powerful antioxidant. It helps from free radicals which cause lots of damage to our body. So boost your immune system by taking alkaline water regularly because it has long-term effects on the health. Drinking alkaline water detoxifies your body because of its ability to wash away all the unwanted toxins from the body and not allowing them to thrive. Drinking more water is the base of detox diets, and drinking alkaline water would be little ahead in the moving the process. So alkaline water also helps in fighting the cancer because a simple reason, cancer cells do not live in the pH balance environment. Cancer cells thrives in acidic environment. So the alkaline water removes the possibility of cancer cells thriving, and also if the person has cancer, it also manages and reduces cancer, like it does not allow the more cancer cells to be developed. And even healthy people would be recommended to drink alkaline water because they may cut down all the possibilities of anything malignant that happens in the future. So alkaline water helps fighting cancer cells. Alkaline water promotes better hydration, making your body reduce aging. So aging process is delayed, and your body functions optimally. Alkaline water also helps you reduce weight faster. If a person is acidic in nature, it's very difficult to lose weight, but if the person has neutral pH level, then he loses weight faster. That's why in nutrition we treat the person like first taking away from his acidity or GERD or any problem, and then treating him for the weight loss. Alkaline water will help you reduce weight because the fat storage is reduced or minimized. A person with healthy pH levels will tend to lose weight faster than a person with high levels of acidity. One of the proven benefits of alkaline water also includes to bring down the diabetes. I mean, this is a study going on that the blood sugar also could be brought down by drinking alkaline water with undetectable blood sugar. Alkaline water also reduces or cures psoriasis. Actually, psoriasis is a skin condition which is untreatable, but it has been found that by drinking alkaline water, it can be reduced and cured. So just simply applying alkaline water on the affected areas and drinking regularly would help cure psoriasis. Not last but least, alkaline water also has effect of balancing the pH level of the body by neutralizing the acid levels. It's best as a preventive health care, but also people with certain diseases or certain health challenges can still consider consuming alkaline water. So well, I mean, there are lots of studies going on the benefits of alkaline water. However,